Solomon. Charlie Accra. Don't leave me. I'm on sea. Don't leave me. Hey.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what kayaking with Kampari looks like. You're going to be hearing from some of our customers and they're going to be telling you about their experience while kayaking with us. So stay tuned and enjoy. The video. So, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm Ayola by name. Yeah, it's been fun. Like the few minutes I had on this water, man. It's been a cruise. I just want to tell you, it's been a cruise.
It's been a cruise.
Yeah, it's been a cruise. And I'll
show your face. I mean, we got to the other side. Under the bridge. In fact, you need to experience the breeze under that bridge. Are you serious? Tell them. Tell them. It's refreshing. Tell them. Thank you. So you can't go from there. You go. So how was your experience?
It was lovely.
Okay. Can you tell us about it?
At first, we were a bit shaky, calm but shaky, and we eventually got the hang of it. Though our other partners did most of the rowing. They were quite coordinated as well.
Okay.
We couldn't get ourselves coordinated.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was really good.
Okay.
Yeah, he was quite relaxed. Actually, their coordination was just wonderful.
Oh, okay. Okay. So what would be your first experience, your first time experience? Like, what would you advise other people who are doing this for the first time?
And just be calm. I think somehow your mind will get the hang of it. It's initially like, what do I need to do? Which way do I go to get the boat moving? But eventually your mind will get the hang of it.
Thank you. High five. You did a good job. You did a good job. And okay.
Team that won.
Yeah, they were good.
We were like a competition.
Okay, so guys, how was your experience?
It was fine. I really enjoyed it. I mean, it really works having someone that actually coordinates it.
Okay. Okay, so he did most of the work. He did most of the work, or you?
He helped with the coordination.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It was really fun.
I am glad you enjoyed it. And what about you?
I enjoyed it too.
I could see you laughing and smiling.
On the boat. I'm like, who is this?
Well done. Hi. Yeah. So how was your experience?
I loved it.
Really?
It was so much fun.
Really?
So much fun.
So what was fun about it?
The paddling, everything, and the fact that we beat the guys.
You beat the guys. Okay, you guys paddled better, right?
A lot better. When they were paddling, we were just going in circles. Took over.
You guys made it. Nice. Hi, Wando. How was your experience? I want to go again. You want to go again? You come back next month. I'll come. But how was your experience? Yeah, of course. But how was your experience?
My time is 3 minutes.
The men wanted to come back.
I don't mind them. And we're the one rocking the boat.
Yeah. But you have fun though.
Of course.
Alright. Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
Tell us your name and what your experience was like.
My name is Kelechi. My experience was like mad. Although the sun was very hot, but it was quite a great experience. My partners were so good, so they did most of the work, but it was actually
a good one. Okay, so where did you kayak to?
What?
Where did you kayak to?
Oh, we got to Farm City.
And on the journey to and fro, how was it? Was it long? Was it tiring?
No, it wasn't tiring. my best part was the ripples.
Oh, the ripples gave you chills, yeah?
Like, so smooth.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for coming. Hi. Tell us your name and what your experience was like.
My name is Rachel. I'm experienced very good. First time kayaking, first time paddling, and I was good at both, so good.
How do you know you were good?
Exactly. I paddled all the way. It was a 4-man. We were 4 on the kayak.
Yeah.
And just 2 of us paddled. I guess who was number 2?
You were the one. Oh, hi, princess.
Hi.
Tell us about your experience. Okay, tell us about your experience.
Okay, so I was really scared at first because I have phobia for large bodies of water. But when I started paddling, after the first few minutes, it became calmer. And when I actually paddled, if you know the technicalities that surround that, you'll be fine. There's a lot of drifting around, but eventually we got it right. Yes, a good thing.
Thank you.
This was absolutely amazing. It's my third time.
Your third time?
Yes, my third time.
Are you serious?
But even the first time I did it was very amazing. And I cannot swim, but I can kayak for days. I'm a great person. So
Okay.
this is my fourth time kayaking. It was so much fun. It was such a workout, but you know, you have so much fun, so it goes by really quickly. My arms tomorrow are going to be so sore. But you know what? It'll be worth it. I'm still trying to lose all my Christmas weight, so yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Ojoyo.
Okay. Is this your first time kayaking?
Yeah. Well, I enjoyed it. I've only had a good time. What else?
How do you rate your kayaking?
On a scale of
1 to 10.
9.
Sure. Okay. How would you rate his kayaking?
Okay, yeah, 9.5.
Oh, okay. Partner.
Yeah.
Okay. So how was your experience?
Yeah, it was awesome. At first, we were struggling in coordination, but at the end of the day, we got to understand ourselves and understand the wave.
Okay.
So, and we go as the wave goes.
Okay. You guys really did well. So how was it going to that end of the wall and back?
Yeah, it was awesome because it was to the extreme end of the sea.
Okay.
So we were able to see the other side of Lekki, which is the Ikoyi part.
Aww. Kudos to you.
Yeah, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Chika.
Okay, how was your experience?
It was splendid.
So,
I was scared at some point. You know,
Okay.
when you have the boats coming and then you have the
Waves.
waves and everything, but it was fine. It was a beautiful experience. I've been looking forward to this, so I'm happy I did it. It was nice.
What was the highlight?
The highlight was when we went to under the Ikoyi bridge. It was very calm, very different. There was this ambience that I had. It was beautiful, so I totally enjoyed myself.
Okay, will you do this again?
Yes, I'll do it again. I'll tell everybody I know to do it. So it's beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, tell me about your experience.
My experience. My name is Aki. Experience was wonderful. It was a very cool bonding experience for me and the wife.
Wifey.
The highlight for me was actually the bridge, and when we paddled all the way down towards that white building and came back.
Yeah.
First time.
First time.
First time.
You have become pros now.
I guess I've been kayaking in my mother's room.
I be. What was the highlight?
Hello, the highlight for me was when we got under that bridge.
Okay.
It was
Okay.
calm, it was cool,
Okay.
and it was more like, oh God, I could just sleep there all day.
I know, right?
Then also it got scary for me when you had like 4 or 5 boats
coming at the same
so
time.
the waves was more like, oh God, I was scared at that point. So I couldn't do anything. It was my husband that said, don't worry, we got this fine. As it is. So then it's a good team bonding exercise. So I would advise those that would like to hang out as a team to take this experience and try it out. For first timer, I think it's a wonderful experience. I'd like to have more.
Oh, thank you. Mr. Tony.
My name is Tony.
Okay.
And I'm tired. Yeah.
Okay.
Highlight for me was when we're coming back from the bridge. And
Okay.
there was this wave.
Oh.
And the boat just kept turning on its own.
Oh, Tony on the own.
Yeah, it was really nice. I enjoyed myself. You know, and I'll recommend it for my friends as well.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Paddle with ease. Not baffing ourselves, trying to kayak, please, I beg. Before you come out now looking like.
I think put the water.
Aquaman.
The paddle into the water well. If you paddle the surface, I think it's splashing. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, got me.
send them. Put them on.
You've heard it all, guys. If you ever consider kayaking in Lagos, Nigeria, which you should definitely reach out to Kampari Tours. They are your plug. Kayaking costs just 5,000 naira, and this covers kayaking time for 1 hour, small chops and drink, coaching for first timers or tutorial, and networking. And have you seen the pictures that these guys take? You definitely want to have picture, facing the Lekki Ikoyi bridge. It's just beautiful. So if you ever want to kayak, don't forget to reach out to Kampari Tours for your kayaking experience in Lagos, Nigeria. And until I see you again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we have other videos, so look out for them. See you and bye bye.